Food. You know, I just couldn't stop thinking about it.
Yeah?
So, yeah.
Yeah?
I went to the fridge and I opened up the meat drawer. You know what the meat drawer is, right?
Yeah, what was in there?
Well, I'll tell you what was in there. You know the bacon that's like maple?
The maple curd?
Nah, I know you did it wrong! Stupid bitch.
What did I get wrong?
Food. You know, I just couldn't stop thinking about it.
Yeah?
So, yeah. I went to the... Oh, shit.
Shit, okay.
Well, I'll tell you what was in there. You know that bacon that's like maple?
Yes, the maple curd?
You dickhead! You did it again!
And I'm like, I must say it!
Maple! Oh, it's my line! Oh shit, I'm still recording. Food. You know, I just...
Sorry, okay.
I took that out and I thought,
Yeah?
I know who would like that. Me. So I ate it.
No! Oh, you're kidding me!
You fucking dick! I was waiting like, she'll get it. No, she'll get it.
I thought we were like down there!
No, look at the script!
This is why I'm not an actress.
Oh my god, we'd be fucking shit.
Should we watch that?
Yeah. Yes. So sorry. Sorry. You're gonna love this one. I took some chicken.
Yeah?
I put some cheese on it.
Yeah?
Then I covered it with
Yeah?
covered it in what?
Oh! Covered it with what?
Yeah. Covered it with